Good morning, it's Monday, March the 8th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, it's Monday, it means we're getting down to business once again. Hopefully everybody had a tremendous weekend. We were actually at the PDAC. It started yesterday on Sunday, and it runs till Wednesday. So if you're in downtown Toronto by the convention center, make sure to drop by. We've got a ton of great companies there for you to check out, and we're going to be out and about, so make sure to drop by and say hi. Now, we've got two great press releases for you, both out of the Canadian side, both out of the resource sector, nothing out of the U.S. side, and I've got one halt to report on in the second segment. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Pacific Northwest Capital Corp. They trade on the TSX, that's the big board, under the symbol PFN. They're announcing high-grade gold discovery at their Destiny Gold project, which is located in Quebec, Canada. Disclaimer time, Pacific Northwest Capital is an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet. The company is announcing today the results from their first 2 holes from their Phase 2 program at the DAC deposit of their Destiny Gold project, as I mentioned, is in Quebec. Highlights include 51.66 grams per ton over half a meter, so that's 1.5 ounces over half a meter, very high concentration, and that's within 12.25 meter wide zone, averaging 2.83 grams per ton of gold. And the gold system is open to below 500 meters in vertical depth, so great start for Pacific Northwest Capital. A little bit about the company. They're a mineral exploration company focused on platinum group metals, precious, and base metals. Additionally, PFN's current option and joint venture agreements are with some of the majors, which include Anglo Platinum, First Nickel, Alto Ventures. Company is last at 15.5 cents. High of 24.5 cents, low of 7.5 cents, and a market cap of approximately $10 million. Moving on to our next company, Anfield Nickel Corp. They trade on the venture under the symbol ANF. They're announcing the results of their first 2 of 11 drill holes, and that's at their project located in eastern Guatemala. We've got some highlights, which include 2 new discoveries, which are highlighted by hole number 2, which returned 8.4 meters grading 1.79% nickel. Included within that, they've got 2.7 meters grading 2.25% nickel. And we've also got some results from hole number 1, which returned 22.6 meters grading 1.5% nickel. And included within that, we've got 9.6 meters grading 2% nickel. So good numbers coming out of Anfield this morning. A little bit about the company. They're an exploration company focused on the exploration and development of nickel laterite resources. Company's at 261, high of 375, low of 75 cents, market cap of approximately $55 million. And as I'd mentioned at the top of the show, one halt to report on comes out of a company called Visible Gold Mines, trades on the venture under the symbol VGD. They're halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us, folks. Hopefully you have a tremendous week this week, and make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.